Hello everyone, my name is Peter and from BornToRideBicycle. I've had inquiries about how to use a grip shift shifting gear system, and we're going to go through that right now. So we have a front derailleur right there, that little guy right there, that's a derailleur right there, okay? And over here we have the rear derailleur. So front derailleur, rear derailleur, perspective, there you go. Front gears, back gears, front, rear, okay? So your front gears, you can see how they're moving back and forth down there. Okay, up here you have a shifter, a grip shift. Okay, that's on the left side of the handlebar. That controls the shifting of the gears back and forth. You can actually calibrate exactly where you want the chain in position. Okay, then you have the rear gear system here on the front. In perspective, it's on the right side. Front gears on the left, right gears for the rear on the right. Okay, back there. Right. Okay, so now we're going to play with the rear gears. Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn this, and you'll see how it moves. So you can calibrate this. You can't move it that much because this is designed when you're pedaling. It'll shift the gears, and you don't want to be shifting gears when you're stationary. I'm doing that because I'm a technician. I know what I'm doing, right? At least most of the time I do. Okay, so there you go.